Mariah Destiny Lena for life. So I'm back with another freaking video, and I'm gonna be making slime. So you'll need some Elmer's glue, some laundry detergent, Tide, some lotion, some perfume, a spoon, a bowl, and a top. Let's get on with the video, yo. Okay, so that goes. So first, you're gonna pour in your glue. I literally hate when there's not enough glue, but there's gonna be enough this time. I'm sick of me not having enough glue when I try to make slime videos. Okay. 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 So first you're gonna pour in all your glue. Okay. Okay. After you're done adding the glue, you wanna add your lotion. Want to add your lotion? No, actually you want to mix the glue. Okay. And after you're done mixing, you want to add some lotion to the glue to make it stretchy. Okay, that's it. And then you want to mix again. Okay. So after that, you want to have, if you want your slime to smell good, perfume is optional and lotion is optional. Add like 10 pumps of perfume if you want it to smell good. Oh, that burns my nose. Okay, last but not least is the laundry detergent. Add little by little. I don't know if I've been telling you guys this. And there you go. Kimmy, you could go make it. So I have one thing to say. Don't you guys like hate when people walk through your videos? Yes, I know. Like your brother or your sister, they come in your room and just interrupt your videos, and then you like literally have to start all over again. It's almost slime, people. Almost. It's very sticky slime though. So I added like lots of laundry detergent. So okay, so all my slime is like literally coming together. And I'll be back when I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm back and the slime is finally activated. I like literally had to add lotion and then it got sticky again. And then I like had to add more laundry detergent and then it got like sticky again. And then I had to add a little bit more laundry detergent and then it wasn't stretchy. And then okay, well, all I have to say, it was hard for me to activate, and let's get on to the ASMR. Yo. Ooh, yep. Okay. Oh, yeah. There you go, baby. Oh, this sucks. Yeah, ice, baby. Okay, so let's end this ASMR. This is not. Oh, wow. Alright guys, so I had an amazing time filming this video, and I hope you guys liked it, and I hope it helped you guys who didn't know how to make slime help you.